Hey everybody, it's the Ioniq guy here, and I come to you today with some bad news. If you haven't taken delivery of an Ioniq 5 just yet, you might be waiting a little bit longer than you had hoped. So, if you're interested in finding out why, stay tuned. So today it came to light that the manufacturer of chips for the Hyundai Ioniq 5, the company is called Infineon Technologies, they had to scrap months worth of chips for the Ioniq 5 due to a manufacturing defect. According to them, it takes 3 months to produce a chip, so all the chips that Infineon produced for Hyundai between early April and early June had to be scrapped, and now they're going to have to completely restart production of these chips. So the chips produced in early April were set to be delivered to Hyundai this month. So April, May, June, July, August. That's 4-month lead time for these chips. So if you were expecting to take delivery between now and the end of the year, you might be looking closer to springtime 2023. So the chip supply disruption should be figured out by mid-October, but that's still a significant delay. According to the Korea Economic Daily, Hyundai's looking at other suppliers to potentially fill this production gap where they've lost a lot of product. An Infineon official said that the global chip shortage will get worse for a while. So this sounds like it's going to be a pretty significant hit to Ioniq 5 production, possibly EV6. I'd imagine they use a lot of the same componentry, so I can't imagine that Kia and Genesis are going to be exempt from this production issue. So I wish you all the best of luck in getting delivery of your cars. Hyundai was really looking for a big production ramp in the second half of this year, and this is a real big setback for them. So Hyundai's just going to have to look for another supplier or just sit and wait for the new components to come in. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on this news about the Ioniq 5 production. Let me know down below if you were planning on getting your car in the next 4 or 5 months and what your plans are now if the car is going to be delayed. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. So if you're anything like me, you were probably disappointed after you purchased your Hyundai Ioniq 5 and realized that there was no overhead storage for your sunglasses. So I solved that problem with the Hyundai Ioniq 5 magnetic eyewear holder. It simply clips onto the magnetic area next to the driver display, and your sunglasses go right onto it. These are 3D printed in PETG and will not soften in the heat of your car. They utilize a 1 1/4 inch rare earth magnet that keeps them securely on your dashboard, and a strip of Velcro protects the frames of your glasses. These will work well with thick plastic frame glasses, such as Ray-Ban Wayfarers, but not so much with wireframe glasses like aviators. These are available for $20 plus shipping at the link below in white or black. Thanks for checking them out.